I can't read. Okay, hold on. Let me stop. Katie. No, not with her because I am in the States. She's in the Philippines. Taeyang. I will take you forever with Denise. That's right. Nakakamiss din si Denise. Watching from Laguna. I hope I'll be back in Hawaii soon. If I go, are you going to watch the show? I had such good memories in Hawaii. Crowd was great. After the 2 concerts I had in Hawaii, we went to the beach. But syempre, nothing beats the beaches of the Philippines. Wala pa akong napuntahang beach na tatalo sa Pinas. El Nido, whew, come on. Magandang hapon. Northern Samar. Loma Tenco, Park Laguna. Dang, I'm trying to give somebody a shout out. I just can't see it. I'm trying to give somebody a shout out. Who wants a shout out? Who wants a shout out? Dang, you know what though? You know what I haven't seen on this live yet? Oh, there you go. I was gonna say that I'm not seeing no gifts, man. What's up? What's up, guys? I'm just kidding. Joke lang. Ay, kakahiya naman. Kayo naman, oh. Biglang nag-gift kayo. Huwag na. Huwag na. Stop it, guys. Kordapia, stop. And para stop it. Stop giving me gifts, guys. Dale? With the rose, Maria Teresa, thank you. With the gifts, man. And people hearting it, jeez, you guys are the best, man. It's me, Sally. Ooh. Dum. Mommy, Dale keeps giving me roses, yo. Gina, Serenkai, Miss IG. That's right, Georgie, Sian J, Foxy Lynn, Maria Teresa, Jambi Yummy, Georgia 08, dang, Api Mariam, Georgia 08, Lalaine, Esingle, Keys, Mami Gur. Hi, Senor, Asamay, Mami Gur again. Dang, I love you guys. Man, I love you guys. Jenny, Faith, Riri. Dang. Thank you. All I had to do was remind you guys, you know. I just had to remind you guys. That's all. Ikaw pala, I just sang it. Kilala niyo po si Taeyang. I know who he is, but we don't know each other personally. But I would love to meet him in person. He's a dope-ass artist. Shane, maraming salamat. Maria, thank you for the gifts, guys. I suppose si Kitty. Kitty's at home. Marie, thank you. Join my fan club. Chevy C. Alms Online. That's right. Online store. Aries Girl. Paula. Si Paula, Maria, it's me, Ariane, Ruth, Rose, Alyssa May, Gabri E.
Kailan tayo? No, ba't ganyan suot mo? Wala na kasi iba, kaya ito na lang pinili ko sa Batangas. Wala na, sira na. Ma, can you buy me new slippers po?
Black lang pala. Ayun na, there's black. Kitty.
Ba't black ang gustong color?
Parang maliit.
Kasha?
33 yata yun.
Next sa sukat-sukat, bili-bili. Ha? Next sa sukat-sukat, bili-bili? Wala kasi ako black, kaya nagsukat na lang ako. Pero walang bili-bili ha? Okay. I love you. I love you. Ano yan, Katie? Tech.
Another heat tech. And patingin, can I show me?
Panty.
Alam mo na kung ano mga bibilihin mo ah. Why?
Alam ko na eh. Gusto ko, favorite ko kasi yan po.
Bakit wala ka na bang bra?
Meron pero gusto ko more black M. Tagal po kasi maglaba. Uubusan pa ako ng bra.
Yan anak.
Never ako nagsuot ng ganitong skirt eh.
Gusto mo yung mag-skirt?
Opo. Mga my loves bagay po.
Parang maliit anak.
Mama, hindi. Mga my loves, I want to wear dress. Bagay po ba?
Are you crying?
Yes!
Ano? See? Galit?
Ako galit mga my loves. Mama, grabe ka. Gusto ko nga yung mga cute na damit.
Bakit ako grabe?
Eh, hindi mo ako pinapapili ng gandang damit. Ang cute-cute. Gusto ko kita ni teacher para matawa siya.
Konting trabaho, super shopping ha?
Eh, gusto ko kita yan ni teacher ko. Please, Mango.
Kaya,
Natawa si teacher.
sige na. Anak, ang dami na. Oh. Paano na yan?
Mag-discount na lang tayo.
Paano yung card? Magkano kaya yung discount niyan? Pwede ba yung card mo dyan? Parang hindi pwede sa damit.
Pwede po. Ito na lang bawasin.
Wag!
Ito na lang.
Wag! Okay na. Ha?
Mababawas tayo. Mababawas natin kasi ang mahal na po.
Eh, ang dami mo kasing kinuha.
Sorry. Paulit-ulit ko na lang suotin to.
Ano, so bibilihin o hindi?
Wag na.
Wag na. Wala tayong pera, anak.
Sorry, Mama.
Hindi kasya sa'yo yung binili mo.
Kasha. Kasi naka-jacket na ako.
160 ka na ata dapat, anak.
Eh, naka-jacket ako. Kasha.
Ang dami mo naman t-shirt binili.
Pero pang piano lesson ko lang to susuotin.
Ay, ang galing. Ang galing naman ng anak ko magtupi. Ay, ang galing naman pala. Pwede na magtrabaho dito. Kung mag-work ka sa Uniqlo next time, pwede din, no? Anak taga-tupi. Wow, yes po. Para, ano, no, libre na lang yung damit natin, ha? Yung sweldo mo, i-shopping natin. Ay, ang galing.
Excited ko na po gamitin ang bagong t-shirt, dresses.
Hindi ako makaiyak. Hindi ako makapokus. Pag Mercury retrograde talaga.
Talaga?
Kaya naman, tumawag ako ng Drip Institute kahapon at nagpanad.
Ay, yun yung mga namimiss ko sa Pinas, yung mga service. Drip, yung massage.
Kasi medyo, ako, brain fog, guys. Brain fog. Kasama din yan sa Mercury retrograde, yung brain fog.
Papa, are you gonna kiss her?
I will, baby.
Here?
Napo.
Say I love you muna, then kiss.
I want
Yung kanta po is Ours, ni Taylor Swift.
Papa, say I love you to her.
I love you, her.
I love you, princess. Say I love you.
I love you, princess.
Kiss mo siya. Ay, gusto ko siya kasali dito sa live.
The rest.
Okay.
Princess is so cute, baby.
Ha?
Princess is so cute.
Yeah.